that's a good thing.
Peyton and Daddy getting ready for the last day of first grade.
Daddy's here, bangs and cut.
She wants to grow them out.
Oh, well then.
She's in that
Daddy
stage.
just got home from
No,
work.
I want them cut.
If you cut them, you always have bangs.
Yeah, if you cut them,
You gotta grow them out so you can put them back.
So I just cut that off and go long enough?
Yeah. No, they all just grow in with the rest of your hair.
They go with the rest of my hair.
Get your headband. She put them back with a headband. Go get a headband. Oh, you got one. What does your shirt say, Peyton?
Recycle my brother?
Do you really want to recycle your brother?
No.
Alright, kiddo, here you go. Now put your thing.
Daddy's all clean.
Still look ugly.
Whatever.
Me, not you.
No.
And I said whatever.
I was talking and then she looked at me like I was talking about her.
You do not.
Fantastic. You should have heard the baby burp last night. He's going to be just like his dad.
You might.
Peyton, are you excited? It's your last day?
More excited of something else.
What's that? Field day?
Daddy may not be able to go.
I'll go.
Depends on how long my stuff takes out before I have to go.
So sad.
I have to go fill out some papers.
Daddy will do everything he can to be there.
Oh,
We saved it for you.
is that what that is?
Yeah, it was full and cold, so we put a lid on it and saved it. Is it flat?
Can I have a drink? Oh, no.
Alright, Peyton. You got field day today? Drinking Mountain Dew for breakfast. That's
Sure.
great. Are you excited? You're not going to be a first grader anymore. Tell us.
What should I tell you?
You're excited or not?
Since she's turning the camera on everybody else.
Oh no, what are you doing?
Do it on the butt.
Yeah, back up. Look at the scrubby mama.
That's not fair. It's not my last day of school. That's the only reason why I was doing
It's
it.
your last day of work.
Mama's doing. Alright. Till next time.